Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make tempura dipping sauce in 3 minutes. You can make the flavorful dipping sauce for tempura just in 3 minutes or even shorter, and I'm going to show you how. No blinking. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 200 ml of water, 4 tablespoons each of soy sauce and mirin, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and katsuobushi fish flakes. It's really quick, so don't miss a thing. Soy sauce, mirin, and sugar into the water. Give it a mix. Katsuobushi fish flakes. And microwave 2 minutes at 800 watts. Give it a mix. Strain it into the serving bowl. And it's done! That's all for today. That was quick, wasn't it? More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!